Samsung finally responds. What's up guys, happy Friday. We are back in the sea of Samsung leaks. The Galaxy S22 series is approaching fast and quick. We've got some crucial leaks to discuss that will shape your buying decision regarding the S22 lineup. As we know, Samsung officially cancelled the Exynos 2200 announcement that was supposed to happen on January 11th, and now they have finally responded to the South Korean media regarding what they have done. According to Business Korea, Samsung has said that they are planning to unveil the new application processor, which is the Exynos 2200, at the time of launching the Galaxy S22 series. They also further said that there are no problems with the CPU's production and performance. Now, after this Samsung response, we actually got some more leaks, some inside leaks regarding what's really going on with the Exynos 2200. According to the news coming from multiple leaksters on Twitter, the Exynos 2200 might actually get cancelled altogether, meaning Samsung will finally bring Snapdragon 8 Gen based Galaxy S22 series everywhere in all regions of the world. If this is true, then it's the right decision to make, because as we know, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is comfortably better than the Exynos 2200. This is a good news, but it's also bad news, as this may have an impact on the pricing of the S22 series. According to the current leaked pricing rumor from Twitter, it seems like Samsung will increase $100 with all of their Galaxy S22 series models, which means the S22 series, as I predicted, could start at $900, $1,100 for the Galaxy S22 Plus, and $1,300 for the S22 Ultra. It's mentioned that this price increase is because of using Qualcomm chipsets exclusively widely everywhere instead of Exynos, and of course due to the chip shortage. I wish the Exynos 2200 was strong enough, but considering the current situation, it might get cancelled altogether. Let me know what you think about this decision. Again, considering the price increase, do you think it's the right move? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also in the news, Qualcomm might take things to next level in the future by making their own custom CPU architecture, according to Ice Universe. The current ARM Cortex-X series of stuff has not been that much efficient, which is why Qualcomm could bring its own architecture, meaning they could bring even better performing chips with higher efficiency. Now, as always, Samsung will try and offer some amazing pre-order deals and gifts with the Galaxy S22 series. According to the current rumors, for those who pre-order the S22 series could get free Galaxy Buds 2 or Galaxy Smart Tag. Furthermore, Samsung is set to offer good trade-in deals, especially for the Note 20 Ultra customers, with up to $600. They could also offer Galaxy Watch bundles discount and free cases. The price increase is still there, but for the early adopters, you're gonna get some good free goodies. Now, last but not the least, Samsung might score a big deal in 2024. Yes, according to the latest news coming via South Korean media, the iPad in 2024 could finally get a bright Samsung OLED display. This is something that has been rumored for a while, so it might actually happen officially in 2024. So that's all the latest news. The Exynos 2200 sadly might get cancelled altogether, which is, like I said, it's sad. I expected a lot from Samsung and AMD, but seems like they weren't able to achieve the best results that they were hoping for. Again, let me know what you think in the comments below, especially regarding the price increase of the S22 series. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.